Sunsama tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Sunsama properly to optimize productivity and work-life balance. Sunsama is a platform that is more than just a task manager. It's a daily planner that helps you prioritize tasks, time block your day, and prevent burnout. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to plan your day, integrate Sunsama with other tools, and use its features to stay productive without overworking. Now let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go onto sunsama.com. From there, you're going to tap on Try for Free, and you can sign up using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Then you'll be redirected to a page like this, and you're just going to tap on Next. From here, you can choose the task manager that you use. So you can either choose one of these task managers or you can tap on Skip. After you have done that, which calendars do you use daily? Because I use Google account to sign up and I have 2 calendars with my Google account, I can select whichever one of these calendars that I have, or I could add an Apple account or another Google account or Outlook account. Once you have done that, you can select the time that you normally plan your day. So normally I would plan my day, let's say for example, from 6 a.m. So I'll select 6 a.m. Then I'll tap on Set My Routine. After you have tapped on Set Your Routine, you have 2 options. You can either go over to the right hand column and from there you can tap on Plan Today or Plan Tomorrow. So let's say for example, I want to plan out my tasks for tomorrow. And tomorrow I would like to record a video. So I will type in Record Video right here. Then we're going to tap on Next, and I can select the estimated amount of time it will take to do that. So you can see right there, let's say for example, it will take me 45 minutes. I can select 45 minutes. I can also add different tasks. So let's say for example, I want to do some research. So I could type in research right here. After typing in research, again, I can select how long that will normally take, so I could change the time right there. After you have added that, as you can see right there, you'll tap on Next. Then once you have done that, from here, you can see our calendar. So tomorrow will be Valentine's Day while recording this tutorial. And you can also add in different events if you want. So I could select Valentine's Day and I'll just tap on Next. Once you have selected Next, you can see how my calendar looks at the moment. So tomorrow you can see the tasks that I have planned out, and then you can see Saturday right here. So tomorrow will be Friday, by the way, the time that I'm recording this. Then you have Saturday, and because my work week ends on Saturday, that's why you see next week right there. So I'm just going to tap on Next. Once you have tapped on Next, you can see tomorrow looks good, and I could add more tasks if I want, and I'll just tap on Looks Good. From here, you can also see different obstacles in my way that I could add right here. So I could add different objectives, and I'm just going to tap on Done. And once you have tapped on Done, you will be redirected to your dashboard. So this is how it looks. So you can see it right here. And by the way, whenever you start a task, you can simply tap on the task. So let's say for example, research, I could simply tap on the task right there. After I've tapped on the task, I could add in notes. I could also tap on the timer and start the timer. So you can see right there to calculate how much time I've spent on a particular task, as you can see right there. And if I were to go over to the top left hand corner, which I definitely recommend you do, and you're going to tap on Sunsama. From there, you're going to tap on Settings. After selecting Settings, this is where you'll be able to customize Sunsama to your liking. For example, you can change the region time. You can choose when your work week starts by tapping right there. You can also scroll down. You can choose task rollover portion. You can also choose the workload threshold. So let's say for example, you want to work 8 hours per week. Per day, better yet, you can select 8 hours. You can select any amount of hours that you work for a particular day. You can also choose whether you would like to use their dark mode or light mode, as you can see right here. You can change it up to your liking. And you can also edit your ritual. So you can select when your workday starts and when your workday ends. So you can see all of the different settings that you can quickly optimize by going over to the left hand menu option. They also have an option by the name of focus bar, so you can toggle on your focus bar and you can edit it to your liking. As you can see right here, you'll be able to set up different reminders to keep you focused whenever you're in focus mode. And if you like to set a reminder to take breaks, you can also do that by toggling it on right here. And you can set up how many minutes you want in between to get reminded to take a break. So you can set that up. You can also set up the notifications that you like to receive from Sunsama by going right there. And if we were to go back, so let's say for example we were to tap on back and tap on Sunsama once more, you can tap on integrations. And from here you can add different calendars again, as you can see right there. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and you can set up Zoom integration. You can also tap on contacts integration and you can add contacts. And by the way, you can connect your Todoist, Trello or any other platform from the left hand menu option, as you can see right here. Now if we were to go back to the main dashboard, once on the main dashboard you can see different headings from the left hand column. So you can see daily planning, you could tap right there. After you have tapped there, you could select the time slot. So let's say for example 5, and then from there you could type in the task that you like to be done. And you can see the time slot right there, so it will be half an hour. And you can choose whether it repeats or not. So you can select that. You can also select right where you see hashtag, and this will allow Sunsama to arrange your tasks better. So by adding an hashtag, it will allow it to organize it better yet. You can also add an invitee, so you could tap on add invitee right there, and you could put in their email address or you can add them from your contact list. So that's how you will be able to set that up. So with Sunsama, you'll be able to create a balanced lifestyle. So we can tap right there, you could fill in tasks. You can also tap on priorities. So if we were to tap on next, you can see the predicted workload for today and for tomorrow. Now let's say you want to start a task. To use their focus mode, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on focus. After tapping on focus, you can see this different tasks right here. Or you could add a subtask, so you could tap on add task and you could add a task. After you have done that, you can tap on start. Once you have tapped on start, you'll realize that the timer has started. And from there, you can start the task. And it will automatically, remember we had set it for a 25-minute reminder. So once it reaches 25 minutes, you'll get a reminder to take a break. But at the moment, it is currently in focus mode, as you can see right there. So that's how you'll be able to use their focus mode. You can also go back over to the left hand menu option, and from there you can choose whether you like to add something to the daily task list. So you can add a task right there. You can do whatever you want with this platform to help you with your planning and scheduling. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.